Okay, Christopher.
Okay.
Now you can open your eyes.
Oh, look at that!
Isn't that something, isn't it?
Look at that!
I bet you've never seen that before.
No.
No. A whole cake.
A whole
I think
Well,
Got all
yes,
the little details.
that beats even my birthday cake of 1935,
oh, right. Why did they do the same?
which was a replica of the Queen Mary.
Oh, right.
It was launched in 1935.
The Queen Mary, yeah.
Yeah.
Now-
Delivering 24 beautifully cut steps to a castle.
So he had to cut the steps. You went to his quarry. Did he have a quarry?
No, it wasn't an individual.
Ah, I see.
This is a big company that he was just a driver.
Ah, I see, yes.
The Arctic.
Yeah.
And he had a crane on the thing for unloading,
Yeah.
and he left my gang to do the unloading. Bunratty.
Oh, right. Okay.
And I bought that more than 50 years ago for 25 shillings.
It stood the test of time, hasn't it?
Well, yeah, it's the traditional cottage thing, but most people find it hard to manipulate. There's a way of holding it.
Manipulation it, yeah.
It is funny oak here.
Ah, yeah, they rest on them, yeah.
Yeah, do you know what they are though? They're for spits for roasting whole sheep inside the
Oh,
beef.
really? Okay, yeah. Oh, there you go. That's it.
No, that
That'll
is.
keep us going,
Beautiful.
isn't it?
It's all all the builders that worked on this place, they didn't call this the Great Hall or anything. The only name they'd give to it was the kitchen.
They called it the kitchen?
They called this the kitchen.
All of this, the kitchen.
All of this square hall was called the kitchen because in a cottage, that is
It
what
would have
it
been the kitchen.
It would have been the kitchen.
Yeah.
And the cooking all done on the open fire.
I remember you told me that traditionally the fire would have been in the middle of the.
Ah, well, that's going back a very long way.
Yeah.
Yes, that's going back over 500 years.
500 years.
They are oak.
They're
Yes.
oak. Is that Irish oak?
It's Irish oak, and it comes from an estate called Clora,
Chlora.
which in Wicklow, which incorporates a stretch of the Devil's Glen.
Oh yeah, I know.
That
but
famous Wicklow River, what's it called?
Okay, is it?
No, not-
I know.
Yes, I'll remember it in a minute.
Yeah.
But it's the oak forest is still there. It's on a very steep side, and they had a big felling of mature trees in '69, in the winter of '69. So these were sold as Winterfeld oak.
As Winterfell.
Yes, and they were sold to a thing called Irish Forest Products, and they had a sawmill in the Midlands. One thing and another, those pieces of timber all fit together without any nails or anything holding them, and they form a bridge. And I designed the roof and in the course of a tour taking my family around the whole of Munster.
So you were looking at other roofs?
Yeah, I had looked at other roofs, but the one I was basing it on was Dunsauchley.
Dunsauchley.
Now, the first Dunsauchley reproduction was Auchnanewer.
That's not too far from here.
No, it's just across the lake.
Just across the lake.
It was June 1970.
70, yeah.
George moved in. Before that, we had made a road in.
Well, you had to make a road.
Yeah.
Was this all forest? Was there?
No.
Trees,
This was just bare hillside,
Just bare
covered
hillside.
with enormous rocks,
Right.
weighing 10 tons and upwards.
Wow.
And we'd drag them all the way down to the lake and push the shoreline out a small
So you'd
bit.
have to get a bulldozer or a digger to
Digger,
push
oh,
over.
yeah.
Ken was asking about the trees, and you planted those trees.
Oh, yes.
Yes, yeah.
There were precious few trees
That's right, yeah.
on the place.
Yeah.
And but long ago there would have been, before the castle was ever built, there would have been big, the traditional ancient Irish oak forest.
All right.
The tree
Yeah.
where they built the bridge over and had the picnic of oysters, that must have been a pretty big oak, because the chamber that results from the bridging operation is about 5 feet wide. And that was the stump of the tree. And then you can see the channels where the roots ran off, this way and that.
God. You said that's a Galway galleon, is it?
Galway Galleon, yeah. Well, you know the coat of arms of Galway.
Yes.
It's just
It's the same ship.
it's
Yeah.
similar.
Yeah.